Hello friend, let's find Lightning McQueen. Let's go! This is Lightning McQueen! Yeah!
I'm speed. Float like a Cadillac, sting like a bee.
This is Lightning McQueen! Yeah!
This is awesome! Oh!
This is Lightning McQueen! Yeah! This is Lightning McQueen! Yeah! Lightning McQueen! Yeah!
Hey! Yeah. No, not really.
Oh, who is that? Cruz Ramirez! Yeah! Cruz Ramirez!
The wheels! And forward! And rest! And forward!
King. Dinoca King helicopter!
Take my way.
This is Mack! Wow!
You are a sight for sore headlights! I'm so sorry I lost you, boss.
This is Mack! Wow! This is Doc Hudson! Yeah! This is Doc Hudson! Yeah!
Order in the court!
Ringo! Haha! Cool! Chick Hicks! Yeah! Look at this! Bulldozer! Yeah! Who is that? Tomato! Wow! Dinoca King helicopter! Yeah!
Take my way.
Oh, this is Serge! Yeah!
Reporting for duty.
Tomato! Wow! Hello friend, let's find Lightning McQueen! Let's go! This is Lightning McQueen! Yeah! Who is that? Sally! Haha! This is Lightning McQueen! Yeah! This is Holly. Cool. Oh, who is that? Cruz Ramirez. Yeah. Lightning McQueen helicopter. Yeah.
Take my way.
Oh, this is Serge. Yeah.
Reporting for duty.
Who is that? Tomato. Wow.
Kind of stunk.
Wow!
This is Lightning McQueen. Yeah. Cool. Chick Hicks. Yeah. Who is that? Tomato. Wow.
Spit him out, you overgrown varmint.
This is Lightning McQueen. Yeah. Oh, who is that? Cruz Ramirez. Yeah.
The wheels! And forward, and rest, and forward.
This is Lightning McQueen. Yeah. This is Doc Hudson. Yeah.
Order in the court.
Ringo. Haha. Look at these guys. Frank. Wow, Dinoca King. Yeah. Who is that? Tomato. Wow.
No.
This is Mack. Wow.
You're here! Make the manufacturer.
Oh, cool.
Very popular flavor. Huh? Whoa!
Wow, Francesco. Haha.
Take a good look at Francesco now. Once the race begins,
This is Jackson Storm. Wow.
I think I touched a nerve.
Oh, who is that?
Get through that, McQueen! Oh, a huge crash!
This is Lightning McQueen. Yeah.
Not so fast. You seem hard.
Hello, friend. Let's find Lightning McQueen. Let's go. This is Lightning McQueen. Yeah. This is Miss Fritter. Wow. This is Mack. Wow. Oh, this is Search. Yeah.
Kiss the pavement goodbye, gentlemen. When I'm finished with you, you'll have mud in places you didn't know you had. Go, 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 go.
Oh, who is that? Cruz Ramirez. Yeah. This is Holly. Haha.
If I can just reverse the polarity.
This is Lightning McQueen. Wow.
Lightning McQueen.
And Lightning McQueen.
Wow. Dinocakin. Yeah. There. This is Lightning McQueen. Yeah. Who's that? It's Fran. Wow. Cool. Chiquix. Yeah. This is Lightning McQueen. Yeah.
Congratulations, Cupcake.
Oh, they are gonna pay.
Tagger it. Tagger it. Tag. Sausage, wait to...
Done.
McMissile.
The standard issue.
of you, Miss Footer.
Oh, yeah! A funny car!
Request acknowledged.
This place is great.
Get down!
Kachika, kachika. Yeah! Now that's what I'm talking about. Bring on the confetti. Ow! You're here! Thank the manufacturer, you're alive! Mack?
The wheels! And forward, and rest, and forward, and rest. Join me, rest.
Queen's the winner! Francesco's second, and they have no idea what happened behind them.
This is impossible.
That's what I'm talking about.
Attention!